Okay, I've decreased down to my original 35 pegs, which was the size that I needed for me. So right here, we're here now. See what it's looking like. At this point, you just make the body as long as you would like. I did the body from row, well, I did my last decrease. I ended row 22, so the beginning of row 23 was my last decrease. So 23 to 60. So from row 23 to row 60, you're going to just go in the round, keep up your pattern every 4 pegs, every 4 rows, you cable. Make sure you're changing your colors on the back. And then when you get to row 60, stop, and we will do just a garter edge brim here, which will be 10 rows. And your first row, I did flat stitch for my first row. Your first row you're going to do purl stitch so that this right here isn't showing like this. So your first row will be purl, and then you'll rotate purl stitch, a row purl stitch, a row flat stitch for 10 rows, and we'll do a super stretchy cast off. Just get your 60 rows done so you're down to the cuff, and then I can show you how to do that.